Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk with Speak, the place where learning English feels easy, simple, and fun. My name is Ava, and I am so happy you're here today.
And hello, Ava. Hello to all our amazing listeners. It feels really good to be back with another episode. I'm smiling already.
Me too. Noah, how are you doing today?
Honestly, I'm doing great. I just had a perfect cup of cold coffee, so I feel awake and fresh.
Ooh, cold coffee sounds really good. I'm also doing well, but just a little nervous.
Nervous? Why? What happened?
Because our topic today is something stressful, very stressful.
Oh no! What is it?
We are talking about airports and losing your boarding pass.
Ah, yes. That is scary. Losing your boarding pass at the airport is like losing your soul for 10 minutes.
Yes, it is. But don't worry. Today we will talk about it slowly, clearly, and with easy English words so you can understand everything.
Exactly. And we will also share a very funny story. Actually, something happened to me last year.
Yes, Noah's real story. It's embarrassing, but very helpful for learning.
It really is. But wait, before we jump in, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are enjoying these episodes, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to Talk with Speak so you never miss new English learning conversations.
Okay, Noah. Are you ready to relive your nightmare?
I guess yes. Let's do it.
So, Noah, imagine this. The sun is rising, it's a beautiful morning, and you arrive at the airport.
Yes, I have my backpack, my suitcase, my passport. I feel confident. I feel ready.
And then?
Then everything goes wrong.
Oh no, what happened?
I checked in, got my boarding pass, put it in my hand, walked to security, and then suddenly I looked down and it was gone.
Gone? Like magic gone?
Yes! It disappeared like a ghost. I was shocked. I said, "Where is my boarding pass? Where is it? Where is it?"
I can imagine your face. Panic mode activated.
Full panic mode. My brain was so loud but so slow at the same time.
Okay. Calm down, Noah. Let's break it for our learners.
Vocabulary check. Boarding pass. The paper or digital ticket you need to enter the airplane. Check-in. When you give your details and get your boarding pass. Security check. Where they scan your bag. Gate. The place where you wait for your flight. Panic mode. Feeling very scared and confused.
So, you lost it? Then what did you do?
I started searching everywhere. My pockets, my backpack, inside my book, under my phone, even though I knew it couldn't be under my phone.
That is classic panic behavior.
Yes, and then I started walking fast, then running, then sweating. I looked like a confused penguin.
A confused penguin at the airport. That is adorable and sad at the same time.
Exactly, and everyone was watching me, but nobody helped. They just stared like, "Oh, look, a human melting."
Poor Noah. Okay, so you couldn't find it. What did you do next?
I went to the counter and said, "Excuse me, I think I lost my boarding pass."
And what did the airport staff say?
She looked at me and said, "Sir, this happens every day. Relax."
Oh, thank goodness.
Then she asked for my passport, typed something on the computer, and printed a new boarding pass.
So easy?
Yes, but I didn't know. I thought they would throw me out of the airport.
Noah, you dramatic sunflower.
Friendly tip. If you ever lose your boarding pass at the airport, don't panic. Just go to the airline counter. They can print a new one in 1 minute.
So you got your new pass. Then what?
Then I walked to the restroom to wash my face. I pulled out a tissue, and guess what fell out?
No way.
Yes, my original boarding pass inside the tissue pocket.
Noah, you lost your boarding pass inside tissues?
Yes, I still don't know how.
This is amazing. Our listeners will love this.
Okay, deep breath. Ava, I think I'm really starting to panic now.
It's okay, Noah. I'm right here. We're going to fix this. Tell me exactly what happened. When did you last see your boarding pass?
I think I had it with my passport. And then I put my passport in my bag. And then my brain stopped working.
Noah, that happens to everyone at the airport. Airports make the brain slow.
Yes, very slow. Like super slow motion.
Okay, so let's think. When you bought water, did you take it out?
Maybe. I took money from my pocket. I took my phone. I took my headphones. I took snacks.
Noah, did you take the whole airport out of your pockets?
Honestly, yes. I was hungry, thirsty, bored, tired, everything.
Okay, let's try something simple. Open your bag slowly.
Slowly?
Yes, if you open it fast, everything will fly out, and then we will lose even more things.
True. Very true. Okay, bag is open. Inside, I see a charger, a book I told myself I will read but never read, gum, my passport, a cookie. Why is there a cookie here?
Because you are Noah.
That makes sense.
Do you see a small white paper?
Small, white paper. Wait. Yes, I see something. Really?
Show me.
Wait. No, it's just a tissue.
Noah.
I'm sorry, I got excited.
Okay, don't worry. Let's try something else.
Like what?
Think about the moment you entered the airport. Do you remember taking the boarding pass from the counter?
Yes, I took it. But I also had too many things in my hands. Like my bag, my breakfast sandwich, my drink.
Oh no. Noah, did you maybe put the boarding pass
Where?
in your sandwich bag?
Ava?
Yes.
You're not gonna believe this.
Noah, don't tell me.
Ava. I think I threw the sandwich bag in the bin.
No, Noah.
Yes, maybe.
Okay, wait, don't panic. We have two options. 1, we find the trash can. 2, we run to the boarding desk with your passport and explain everything.
Option 1 sounds like a horror movie. Option 2 sounds like a romantic comedy. Let's do option 2.
Great. Let's walk. Fast, but calm.
Fast, but calm. Ava, how can a person be fast and calm?
You can. Trust me.
Okay. Ava, thank you for helping me.
Of course. That's what friends do. But Noah, next time, please don't throw your boarding pass in the trash.
I will try. I promise nothing, but I will try.
The terminal chase. Okay, Noah, Take a deep breath. We're going to find that boarding pass together. No panic, okay?
Yeah, okay. I'm trying not to panic, but my heart is running faster than the airport Wi-Fi.
I can tell. Even your face is buffering right now.
Really? Great. Just what I needed. A 4K HD problem with a 144p face.
Stop. You're making me laugh. Let's focus. Where did you go after the security check?
I went to get water, then I sat near gate 29, then I walked to the charging station. Then I thought about life for 20 seconds. And then everything went downhill.
So basically, you touched the entire airport.
Pretty much, yeah.
Running through the terminal. Okay, gate 29 first. Let's go.
Ugh. Wow. I didn't realize how long this terminal is. Feels like they built it in chapters.
Come on, hero. If you can daydream for 20 seconds, you can run for 20 seconds.
Can I daydream while running?
No. Do you see the seat where you sat?
Yes, right over there. The one that looks like it hates humans.
Check under the seat.
No boarding pass. Just a chewing gum that probably belongs to 1954.
Ew, don't touch it.
Too late. It's emotionally attached to me now.
Hi, sorry to bother you. Did anyone turn in a lost boarding pass?
Boarding pass. For which airline? The one that flies airplanes?
Noah.
Don't worry, sir. We have a lost and found near Gate 12. You can check there.
Thank you so much.
Gate 12? That's like 20 minutes away.
Then we better start walking?
Walking? Ava, we need to run. This is a life or death situation.
It's not life or death, Noah.
For me, it is. If I miss this flight, my mom will emotionally delete me.
Okay, let's sprint a little.
This sprint is sponsored by my last brain cell.
You're doing great. Just don't fall.
Ava, if I fall, leave me. Save yourself.
Stop being dramatic. This is an airport, not a war movie. Hi, we're here for a lost boarding pass.
Sure, what's the name? Noah Thompson.
Officer.
I see a wallet, a teddy bear, someone's banana, but no boarding pass.
A banana. Someone lost a banana? How irresponsible are humans? Noah, focus.
Sorry, sir, nothing under your name. So, it's gone? Forever? Like, vanished into the universe?
No, we're not giving up. There's still one more place to check.
Where?
The charging station. Maybe you dropped it there.
Ava, if it's not there, just prepare yourself, because I'm going to cry. Like, full Bollywood-style crying.
Let's go before you embarrass both of us.
The charging station mystery. Ava, wait. I'm walking like an old phone battery. 1% left.
Come on. The charging station is right there.
If my boarding pass is not here, I'm changing my name and living in this airport forever.
Relax. Nobody can live here.
Ava, look around. Half the people look like they already live here.
Okay, fair point. Do you remember which plug you used?
The one with electricity?
No!
Okay, fine. This one, right here. The one with a sad vibe.
Let me check under the table.
If you find it, I will buy you coffee for a whole year.
Deal. No boarding pass.
Wait. What's that?
Where?
That paper stuck behind the charging box.
Hold on. I'm checking. Noah. I found it.
What? You found it? Are you serious?
Yes, it's your boarding pass. A little wrinkled, a little tired, but absolutely alive.
Ava, you are the hero of my life, my savior, my guardian angel, my emotional support human.
Stop. You're being dramatic again.
Listen, I'm not dramatic. I'm just expressive.
Expressive. Huh?
Yes, big difference. Huge difference. Come here, little guy. I missed you. I thought you died. But you survived, you beautiful piece of paper.
You're talking to your boarding pass like it's your pet.
It is my pet now. I'm never letting go of it again.
Good. Now let's hurry. We still need to reach the gate.
Yes, Captain Ava, your orders are my destiny.
Why are you talking like a Shakespeare actor?
Because losing my boarding pass changed me. I am a new man now.
Oh, God. Let's just go.
Ava, you're seriously the best. I mean it.
Ah, that's sweet. And you're welcome.
If I lost this pass forever, my life, my future, my reputation, my everything.
Stop. You sound like a sad TV drama.
Sorry, it's just I overthink everything.
I know, but that's why we're a good team. You overthink and I bring you back to reality.
And I'm grateful. Really.
Let's just reach the gate now.
Yes, let's go before I lose something else. Like my brain.
Too late. You already lost that years ago.
Wow. Hurtful. Rude. Unnecessary. But accurate.
Come on.